Hello mga abe, welcome to my channel. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Kuya JDL. Ito po ay follow-up content po natin dun sa nakaraan nating content yung sa pagkakapanalo ni Premier Doug Ford ng Progressive Conservative dito sa Ontario election o early election ng probinsya. At mga abe, habang pinag-iisipan ko itong content na ito kahapon at napanood ko yung meeting ni US President Donald Trump and ni Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky, medyo mainit, no? Sa lahat po ng mga sumusubaybay sa politika o geopolitics sa buong mundo, yan po ang trending simula kahapon ng hapon, Eastern Time, hanggang at least ngayong umaga. Hindi natin alam kung may mga follow-up yan. But anyway, ito yung mensahe ni Premier Doug Ford kay US President Donald Trump. No, D on D. Parang, Dear Donald, best regards, Doug Ford. Okay? So, mga abe, yung ibang tao na nakausap ko, sabi nila, bakit daw nakikialam sa foreign policy si Doug Ford, no? Dahil ito dapat, ito dapat yung responsibilidad ng federal government, kagaya ni, na halimbawa, ito ay responsibilidad ni Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Kaya lamang mga abe, sobrang lapit ng Ontario sa US border, kagaya ng New York at iba't iba pang state. At dahil nga federalism, kaya merong independensya ang Ontario province o bawat probinsya ng Canada para sa kanilang mga polisiya. At ito ay gusto lamang protektahan ni Premier Ford. Kaya ito daw ay sinasabi, kahit ito ay binabatikos, ito ay isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit siya nagtawag ng snap election. Pero tapos na yon, natapos na, nanalo na siya. Kasi eto naman, kung hihintay naman niya ang federal, medyo may hina ang federal decision making. Kasi nga nung nakaraang buwan nga, early January, nag-resign si Justin Trudeau at merong leadership election ang liberal, at kung sino manalo doon, siya ang magiging prime minister. At hindi lang yan mga abe, hindi natin alam kung yung ma-elect na prime minister na yon ay i-dissolve din niya ang federal parliament para magkaroon ng early federal elections. So eto, natarif na to nangangamba na mangyari ngayong Marso. Kaya ito po, pakikirinig ko sa inyo ang mensahe ni Premier Doug Ford ng Ontario kay US President Donald Trump. Panoorin po ninyo mga.
This election was about who we are, about the future we choose for ourselves. Donald Trump thinks he can break us. He thinks he can divide and conquer, pit region against region. Donald Trump doesn't know what we know. He is underestimating us. He is underestimating the resilience of the Canadian people, the Canadian spirit. Make no mistake, Canada won't start a fight with the U.S., but you better believe we're ready to win one. So thank you. Thank you, everyone. So, folks, let me be clear. Canada will never, ever be the 51st state. And Canada is not for sale. Over the last weeks and months, I've seen the best of our province, the best of our country. Hardworking people standing up for what's decent, for what's right. It's you, the people, who will get us through this, who will fight for our future. Together, we're going to emerge from this stronger and more united than ever before. From coast to coast to coast, we're going to stand together. We're going to fight. We're going to fight for our province. We're going to fight for our country. Together, we're going to protect Ontario. I want to thank you, and may God bless the people of Canada. May God bless the people of Ontario. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay mga abe, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, at kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na sa ating Kuya JDL channel na nagtatalakay ng pamumuhay natin dito sa Toronto, Canada, sa ating mga pop culture and sometimes travel. Muli po, Best regards, Kuya JDL. Bye-bye!